Y'all, we have not been to Checkers in, it feels like forever, I think. So, you want to fry? You want to share what you got, Isaac? Okay. I got one right here. What'd you get, Isaac? Yeah. Isaac got the, say, chicken and fry box. Nugget and fry box.
You used to do that something different.
Yeah. Is it hot? You want to dip it? What did you get?
I got a humongous sandwich.
I think it was like, what was on it?
Just a triple burger with ketchup, mayo, and cheese.
Okay. And then, what did I get? Oh. Okay, so I got a barbecue chicken sandwich. It looks like onions, fried onions maybe?
Yeah.
We just finished a 1 mile hike, so we had to stop and get some Checkers because we haven't been here in a long time and we were hungry, so. Say cheese.